Have you ever wondered how a simple 1-minute habit could transform your life? Imagine starting your day with just 60 seconds of focused effort and witnessing remarkable changes in your body, mind, and overall well-being. It may seem almost too good to be true, but what if I told you that a 1-minute plank every morning could set the tone for your entire day and bring about profound physical and spiritual benefits? Planks are more than just an exercise for your core. They are a gateway to a stronger body and a more resilient mind. But there's something even deeper happening here. The consistency of a daily plank routine can teach us discipline, mindfulness, and the power of intention. Each morning as you hold that plank, you're not just strengthening your muscles, you're also aligning your spirit, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the journey of what happens to your body and mind when you commit to doing a 1-minute plank every morning. We'll explore how this simple practice can lead to unexpected transformations, not only in your physical appearance, but also in your inner world. I'll share the insights I've gained, the challenges faced, and the surprising rewards that come with such a powerful yet easy-to-adopt habit. Stay with me as we unravel the layers of this experience and discover how a 1-minute plank can change more than just your body. It can change your life. And before we dive in, if you're passionate about personal growth and transformation, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. When I first committed to a 1-minute plank each morning, the immediate benefit I noticed was a gradual but consistent increase in physical strength and endurance. While the plank may appear to be a simple exercise, holding it for a minute every day began to challenge my body in ways I hadn't anticipated. At first, the seconds seemed to stretch endlessly, but over time, my muscles adapted, and I found myself not only holding the plank with greater ease, but also feeling stronger throughout the day. Planking engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. It's a full-body exercise that targets the core, shoulders, arms, back, and legs. As the days turned into weeks, I could feel these muscles becoming more toned and resilient. This daily practice didn't just build strength, also enhanced my endurance. Activities that once left me feeling fatigued became easier, and I noticed a newfound energy that carried me through the day. But the benefits of planking go beyond physical strength. Each morning as I held that plank, I was reminded of the power of consistency. This exercise became a metaphor for life. Showing up daily, even when it's tough, builds a kind of inner resilience that extends far beyond the physical. I realized that the strength I was building wasn't just in my muscles, it was also in my mind. This increase in endurance also translated into better posture and a stronger core, which supported my overall health and well-being. The ripple effect of this single minute each morning became evident in my daily activities, making even mundane tasks seem more manageable. As my physical endurance grew, so did my confidence, proving that even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant changes. By dedicating just 1 minute each day to this practice, I experienced a profound shift not only in my body, but in my approach to challenges in life. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the simplest actions, when done consistently, can lead to the most meaningful transformations. While the physical benefits of planking are undeniable, the mental clarity and focus that come from this practice are equally powerful. Each morning as I held the plank position, I found myself entering a state of mindfulness. The focus required to maintain proper form and breathe steadily through the exercise demanded my full attention, pulling me into the present moment and away from the distractions of the day ahead. This daily practice of mindfulness had a profound impact on my mental state. By starting the day with a clear mind, I noticed that I was better able to concentrate on tasks throughout the day. My thoughts were more organized, and I found it easier to prioritize my responsibilities. The mental discipline required to hold the plank position translated into a sharper focus in all areas of my life. As the days went by, I realized that this 1-minute plank was more than just a physical exercise. It was a mental reset. It became a ritual that allowed me to clear my mind of clutter and set a positive, focused tone for the day. This clarity carried over into my work, relationships, and personal projects, making me more productive and less prone to distractions. The plank also taught me the importance of mental endurance. Just as my body became stronger and more resilient, so did my mind. I became more patient and less reactive, able to face challenges with a calm and steady demeanor. This mental strength was a direct result of the focus and discipline cultivated during that single minute each morning. In essence, the plank became a practice of mental fortitude, sharpening my ability to concentrate and remain present. It's a reminder that our mental state is just as important as our physical health, and that simple, consistent practices can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. The journey of incorporating a 1-minute plank into my morning routine also brought about unexpected emotional benefits. I discovered that this simple exercise had a powerful impact on my emotional balance, helping me manage stress and maintain a sense of calm throughout the day. As I held the plank each morning, I focused on my breath and the sensations in my body. This act of mindfulness helped me become more aware of my emotions, allowing me to observe them without judgment. In this way, the plank became a tool for emotional regulation, giving me a moment of stillness in which I can process my feelings before the day began. Over time, I noticed a significant reduction in my overall stress levels. The act of engaging in this physical exercise helped to release tension and promote relaxation. The deep, steady breathing required to hold the plank also activated my parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for promoting a state of calm and relaxation. This physiological response helped to counteract the effects of stress, leaving me feeling more balanced and at peace. In addition to stress relief, the plank also fostered a sense of emotional resilience. By facing the challenge of holding the position each day, I developed a greater capacity to handle stress and adversity. This newfound resilience translated into a more positive outlook on life as I felt more equipped to navigate the ups and downs of daily life. The emotional balance and stress relief gained from this practice extended beyond the minutes spent planking each morning. It influenced my interactions with others, my ability to cope with challenges, and my overall sense of well-being. This experience reinforced the idea that our physical practices can have a profound impact on our emotional health, and that taking time each day to care for our bodies can lead to greater emotional stability and peace. One of the most profound benefits I experienced from my daily plank practice was a deepened sense of spiritual growth and a stronger mind-body connection. As I committed to this routine, I found that the physical and mental discipline required to hold the plank each morning began to translate into a greater awareness of my inner self. The plank, though a physical exercise, became a form of moving meditation for me. Each morning, as I held the position, I focused on my breath, my body, and my thoughts. This practice of mindfulness helped me connect with my inner self on a deeper level, fostering a sense of spiritual awareness and growth. The act of planking became a daily ritual that allowed me to tune into my body and mind, creating a sacred space for self-reflection and spiritual connection. As I continued this practice, I noticed a growing sense of alignment between my physical, mental, and spiritual selves. The plank became a symbol of the balance and harmony I sought in my life. It taught me the importance of consistency and discipline, not just in my physical fitness, but in my spiritual journey as well. This daily practice reminded me that true growth requires both physical and spiritual effort, and that the two are deeply interconnected. The mind-body connection cultivated through this practice also had a profound impact on my overall well-being. By becoming more attuned to my body and its needs, I was able to make better choices for my health and wellness. This awareness extended beyond the physical, helping me to better understand and manage my emotions, thoughts, and spiritual needs. Ultimately, the daily plank practice became a powerful tool for spiritual growth, helping me to cultivate a deeper connection with myself and the world around me. It reinforced the idea that physical and spiritual practices are not separate, but rather, they work together to create a holistic sense of well-being. This experience taught me that by taking time each day to care for both my body and spirit, I could achieve a greater sense of balance, harmony, and inner peace. Perhaps one of the most valuable lessons I learned from my daily plank practice was the importance of discipline and consistency. While the physical and mental benefits of planking are significant, the real transformation came from the commitment to showing up each day, regardless of how I felt or what was going on in my life. Incorporating a 1-minute plank into my morning routine required a level of discipline that I hadn't anticipated. At first, it was easy to find excuses to skip a day or two. But as I committed to the practice, I realized that the true value lay in the consistency. Each day that I showed up and held the plank, I was reinforcing a habit of discipline that extended into other areas of my life. This daily practice became a powerful reminder that small, consistent actions can lead to significant results. The act of planking each morning, though seemingly simple, required a level of commitment that taught me the importance of perseverance. It wasn't about the 1 minute spent in the plank position. It was about the cumulative effect of showing up every day, no matter what. As I continued this practice, I began to notice how this discipline translated into other aspects of my life. I became more consistent in my work, relationships, and personal goals. The daily plank served as a foundation for building discipline and consistency in all areas of my life, helping me to achieve my goals and maintain a sense of focus and determination. The lesson of discipline and consistency learned through this practice was one of the most valuable takeaways from this experience. It taught me that true growth and transformation require commitment and perseverance, and that even the smallest daily actions can lead to significant changes over time. This experience reinforced the idea that by showing up every day, even in the face of challenges, we can achieve our goals and create lasting, positive change in our lives. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on the button right below this video or the 3 dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. As I reflect on my journey of doing a 1 minute plank every morning, I'm struck by the many unexpected benefits that came from this simple practice. While I initially started this routine to improve my physical fitness, I quickly realized that the true rewards went far beyond just a stronger core. One of the most surprising benefits was the sense of empowerment that came from committing to this daily practice. Each morning, as I held the plank, I was reminded of my own strength and resilience. This sense of empowerment carried over into other areas of my life, giving me the confidence to tackle challenges and pursue my goals with greater determination. Another unexpected benefit was the sense of community that developed around this practice. As I shared my journey with others, I discovered that many people were also incorporating planks into their daily routines. This shared experience created a sense of connection and support as we encouraged each other to stay committed and celebrate our progress. It was a reminder that we are all on this journey together, and that by supporting each other, we can achieve even greater things. In addition to these personal and social benefits, I also experienced a deeper sense of gratitude and appreciation for my body. This daily practice reminded me of the importance of taking care of myself and honoring the incredible capabilities of my body. It reinforced the idea that self-care is not just a physical practice, but a spiritual one as well. As I look back on this experience, I'm grateful for the many lessons learned and the positive changes that have come from this simple practice. The 1 minute plank became more than just an exercise. It became a daily ritual that brought about profound physical, mental, and spiritual transformation. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the smallest actions can have the biggest impact, and that by committing to our personal growth and well-being, we can achieve incredible things. If you found value in this journey and are inspired to start your own daily plank practice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and transformation. Together, we can continue to explore the many ways in which small, consistent actions can lead to big changes in our lives.